Hello, guys. Good morning. How are you guys? I hope people are great today. So, because actually I just came, I woke up early in the morning right now. So, I went for the take a shower and then come back at home right now. So, I just wear cloth and this time. So, because actually very happy and this time sunrise. Wow. So, very beautiful day. And today, so I just so I am warming to heat, and this is the sunny day. So I think, and though suddenly the weather has changed. So weather and today, so I would like to tell you the guys the weather so wonderful today. So wind is blowing, but it's cool the here than this time. So right now, so because actually I'm here, so very excited. So I am learning English, and these days, so guys. Do you want to learn English, and please join on this channel. So because actually I am so I just take take a shower and so put on my cloth, and this time so very happy right now. So because I'm so great happy. So guys, this is my residency area. Actually, I'm living here just because actually. So guys, without any further ado, let's get it started. And most important, and today, so I will share you everything, the how to start your English, how to improve your English, to how to just start your English. So peoples, do one things, and please I want to say that on everyone. So guys, and without fear anyone's, you can speak English, and you can improve your English only when you start your English. You feel shy, you feel an hesitation to how to speak English to someone, and a lots confusions, a lots problems. Actually, they are not managed, and they are not speaking properly, and suddenly stuck when I start English. I know that. So everything is you can problem face problem when you start your English. So I would like to say that guys, because actually English journey, uh, first step is very difficult, right? But actually you have to do and practice a lot's time, given the more your time and practice, and actually practice, I will share it only practice topic, and today practice topic is the most important, guys. If you want to learn an theoretical point, and that is wrong. And English language only the language, as a language you can learn right now. Got it? I know that, so you got it. Actually, uh, I'm also learning only main focus, speaking English, spoken English in the main focus. Actually, I did not care and theoreticals and grammar, translation, and that is the those are very difficult for the speak. You can't speak English in properly that, and this is my suggestion for you guys. And whatever you have vocabularies, whatever your experience, and you can speak, and you can the practice and every day, and improve and gradually improve your English, and you gradually speak in very little bit speak English. I know that. So a lot's mistake when you start your English, right? When you start your English, the many mistake face problem a lot, and the people is loving you, and somebody is the told you, and please leave it. You can't sleep. I'm doing practice and this time right now. So because my English. was a very difficult at that time, but actually this time, so I just increased and so because actually uh, I get up I get up early in the morning around 6 a.m. then so I'm practicing, and these days because actually my English is very very weak, but actually and these channels for the only blogs, English blog, the who people want to learn English, and please join this channel. So very excited to be here right now. So guys, I'm so great. I hope you are understand my suggestion, and you can only focus, main focus and practical. This is okay. So once again, this is the main practical. The practical is speaking English only, and don't think over the theoretical point. Theoretical point is very harmful for you. Theoreticals only you can learn grammar and translation, and this is the my main purpose. Only speak English, na. So you will have to speak English, and whatever you have little bit mistake, no problem. You are stuck, no problem. Somebody is laughing you, no problem. So everything leave it, okay, right now, got it. And you can speak English and properly, and just I I would like to say that, and you just start from today, okay. This is, don't waste time. Actually time is precious, the everyone is the most precious, everyone right now, got it. I hope you are understand. So because actually I don't have more times for make video, so I will meet you next video, guys. You haven't subscribed my channel, so please keep it my subscribe channel, so that you will get notifications soon and new video. So like, bye bye guys, love you so much, bye bye guys.